What's going on, everybody? My name is Diego Flores. The Freedom Skatepark project is essentially a project that was born into existence thanks to the Concrete Jungle Foundation. The Concrete Jungle Foundation works to bring skate parks to underprivileged communities around the world and then facilitate those skate parks with free skateboarding lessons for the community.
This is Frog Boss, and I'm saying why skate park is great for the community is because it can take youth from the ghetto and bring them there and teach them positivity and teach them all that there is about skateboarding. You see me? And when you do skate more, if you really get to love skateboarding, it brings a positive vibe to your soul, and it's a great energy, I think every child should be skateboarding, It teaches you discipline. It brings you through life. Yeah, that's how I see it. You see me? Well, raggedy.
Alright, so welcome to Jamaica. This is the surf hostel located here in 8 Mile Bull Bay, Jamaica. As you guys can see behind me, this was one of the first skateboarding obstacles intentionally built for skateboarders. Until now. Now we have the Freedom Skatepark, which is awesome, but it's crazy to think where we started and where we're going. Welcome to the Gully DIY. Apart from the Jamaica Bull, this is one other skateboarding spot that the locals were forced to put together just because there aren't any skate parks on the island. So come check it out. Welcome to the Freedom Skatepark. This is where all of our youth programs are held and operated at 100% zero cost to the students who participate. With your help, we will be able to run classes here at the Freedom Skatepark and at other locations that Concrete Jungle Foundation serves to provide all around the world. Thank you guys.